प्रीवियस स्पीकर्स ने बताया आपको और हमारा पीपल्स आर्काइव का अंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि हमारे जमाने में जो भी समस्या है, जो भी मामला है, उसका सॉल्यूशन क्या फ्रेमवर्क में होगा, वो फ्रेमवर्क है न्याय, जस्टिस। क्लाइमेट चेंज का फ्रेमवर्क भी हमारा जो कवर करते हैं हम, उसको क्लाइमेट जस्टिस कहते हैं। हेल्थ राइट्स कोविड पे जब हम कवर किया, उसका नाम दिया हमने हेल्थ जस्टिस। और बोडो पीपल्स मूवमेंट का वो एक स्ट्रगल है, अभी कितना 3 डेकेड 4 डेकेड का जस्टिस के स्ट्रगल है। और ये सब लेके I am really proud, honored to be here with you today in your beautiful country, in your beautiful land, in this countryside. Thank you so much. I am humbled and honored. Thank you.
Economic and social interaction of our society. We have no dearth of people who give them generous lip service every day, but the genuine people who practically work for them are rare birds. However, your strength to refuse some offers of award on grounds of moral principles indicates your firm commitment to your work. Economic and social inequalities are often ingrained in the traditional structure of the society that demands intellectual approach to mend these structures. Since the country's economy is still based on agricultural sector, the rural people, especially the farmers, need fair treatment by the government. However, they have always remained vulnerable and voiceless for their cause. Only intellectuals with pure and noble heart like you can alter their fate to accomplish their dreams and visions. It really takes an unshakable integrity of mind to do what you have done, sir. The Upendana Brahma Trust is extremely pleased to mention your outstanding performance in the field of journalism and social activism. Given the nobility of your purpose and commitment, recognitions and awards have followed you one after another, like the natural growth of feathers in nestling before they take flight in the air. We consider it a privilege to honor the true sons and daughters of our country who have dedicated their services to supply hope, inspirations to the suffering section of the society. As our motto runs like this, all human beings deserve equality, dignity in every sphere of socio-political economic relations. Upendranath Brahma himself upheld humanity and equality above all, and these ideals have been a guiding principle in his revolutionary zeal. Today, the Upendranath Brahma Trust truly feels proud and honored to confer the 19th Upendranath Brahma Soldier of Humanity Award 2022 upon you on this day of November 20, 2022 for your outstanding performance with an admirable sense of work ethic in your career. Wish you good health and long life, Dr. Subung Basumatary and Dr. Vishnu Prasad Basumatary on behalf of the Upendranath Brahma Trust. The citation will be given over by the chairman of the trust will hand over the citation first, then Aronai will be given by Sri Dipen Boro, President of AUSU, and Indi court, traditional Indi shawl will be presented by Honorable CM Sri Pramod Boroji, and the bouquet, and the shawl will be given by Dr. Vishnu Prasad Brahma. A memento will be handed over by the chair of the meeting, the function, Sri UG Brahma. Honorable UG Brahma will hand over the memento, and cash award of 100,000 citation will be handed over by chairman of the trust, and the cash award of 100,000 will be presented by Deputy Chief of ETR, Sri Govindra Sundar Basumatary. A check of 100,000 as a token of love and respect to our honorable recipient, Sri Palagumi Sainathji. Thank you so much. Can we proceed for a photo session with all the awards that we have? Photo.
State Information Commissioner Nelco बेखेवनानै होनाय बिटिआरनि मानगोनां चिफ प्रमद बर' बिथां इउएनबि ट्रास्टनि चेयारमेन डक्टर सुबुं बसुमतारी बर' थुनलाइ आफादनि मानगोनां आफादगिरि सिबिजाथाव आदातरेन बर' बिटिआरनि डेपुटि चिफ गबिन्द चन्द्र बसुमतारी बिथां बारग' एबसुनि गाहाय नेहाथारि आरो बारग' एमएलए गसाइगाव समष्टिनि मानगोनां आदा बिथां हाबाफारियाव जोंनि सिनियर मस्ट मानगोनां डक्टर सुरत नार्जारी सार आरो मानगोनां इएम मानगोनां गुबुन गुबुन आलासि बिथांमोन सिबिजाथाव रायजो राजा बिथांमोन इन्टेलेक्सुवेल्स आरो फरायसा फरायसुलि लोगो नोंथांमोन आं गिबियावनो साफ्रोमखौबो खुलुमबाय आरो दुलाराय बर' फरायसा आफादनि जानानै इउएनबि ट्रास्टनि जानानै साफ्रोमनिसिमबो गोसो गोरबोनि हामलायनाय आरो बरायनायखौ आं बावहरबाय जोंनि इउएनबि ट्रास्टनि चेयारमेन बिथाङा वेलकाम एड्रेस होबाय आरो एबसुनि आगुनि आफादगिरि आथिखालनि बिटिआरनि चिफ एक्जिकिउटिभ मेम्बार प्रमद बर' बिथाङा बेखेवनाय बिबुंथि होलांबाय गासैबो बाथ्राया बेयाव बेरखांजोबखाबाय आं जास्ट फर्मेलिटिनि थाखाय आंनि हाबाफारिखौ आं मावफुंनो नागिरदों आरो उइदिन 3 मिनिट्स आङो मोनसे ब्रिफ जिखिनि नट
बानायदों आं बेखौ फरायथिनानै होनो नागिरबाय। First of all, I convey my sincere greetings to all present here and pay my tribute to the heavenly soul of Borofa Upindranath Brahma for rest in peace. It is well known to all that every year Upindranath Brahma Trust and the whole Buddhist Union have been jointly organizing the award conferring ceremony of the Upindranath Brahma Soldier of Humanity Award. Since inception, starting from literature to Gyanpid Awardee, eminent Gandhian to Raymond Magsaysay Awardee, led Kokrajhar Basumatary, Pramod Chandra Bhattacharya, Matar Bhai Thakkar, Maheshwara Devi, Vijay Varghese, Aruna Roy, Jadav Payeng, Mamuni Resham Goswami, Rajendra Kumar Brahma, Ganesh and Devi, Professor Ramesh Bardwas, and many more eminent personalities have received this award. We are highly glad that this is our fortune that this year we are conferring this award to eminent journalist, human rights activist and columnist, Raymond Magsaysay Awardee, Sri Palaguni Sainaji. I on behalf of UMB Trust and ERSU and from the Bodo community welcome you for having present here to take our honor for your indomitable service to the underprivileged section of the society and for echoing voice for their rights and justice. Upindranath Brahma is known to all as Bodofa and widely accepted as the father of the Bodos for his relentless and scrupulous service to the Bodos and a role model for all the downtrodden community of the Northeast India. After becoming the president of the All Bodos Provincial Union in 1986, he started movement for borderline statehood, for socio-political, cultural, ethnic identity of the Bodos, and raised strong voice for all-round upliftment, equality of the education and economic of the exploited, suppressed sections of the community. Within a span of 4 years of democratic, non-violent movement from 1987 to 1990, till his untimely demise, Bodofa appealed to come together with his popular slogans, Bodos of the world, unity through struggle to safeguard the Bodo community and live with dignity, with its own identity, where lakhs of people actively participated for the genuine cause of the community. It was true that during the days of Bodo was marginalized, neglected, assimilated, scattered in every sphere of social, political, economic and education field and from the administration and ruling clique. Bodofa brought the Renaissance with strong feeling of Bodo identity, consciousness among the common masses and other downtrodden community. For his charismatic and indomitable leadership, today he is regarded as an architect of the modern Bodo society with an era of history created by himself for justice, rights and live with dignity. Though the movement was started with democratic and non-violent, but the then ruling government forced to dominate and cast down the peaceful agitation for which 1135 innocent people sacrificed their valuable life for the cause of constitutional rights of the community. Thus, the history of the Bodos is the history of democratic movement, sacrifice, and to free from any kind of domination. With the mark of his visionary leadership, the community had achieved 3 political arrangement of self-government, BSc in 93, BTC in 2003, and BTR in 2020. Thus, he will be always remembered as the greatest ideologue and charismatic leader of our time in the history. His dream to build Bodo to establish as a vibrant community with a philosophy and principle of live and let live for all-round development of the society is being carried out by all Bodos Provincial Union as on today and onwards. Today, we are happy that the Upindranath Brahma Soldier of Humanity Award is going to confer to an eminent person a man of courage with brave heart as a journalist, columnist, who has been relentlessly serving for humanity, soldiering and fighting with his powerful ink at the national and international arena for the vulnerable sections of people who have been deprived from fundamental rights, exploited and facing with atrocities in the country. At the end, I will once again extend gratitude to all to be the part of this historic award ceremony and making it successful. One through your kind cooperation and participation. EPSU will continue its mission with the motto of unity, survival and prosperity, and with the vision of live, work and prosper to fulfill the dream into reality and the milestone led by Bodofa to make Bodo as a vibrant community. For this, our endless effort for bringing quality education in Bodo medium and among the Bodo students, along with social transformation under Bodofa Mission for Sustainable Change, to eradicate the use of drugs, alcohol, gambling, witch hunting, child marriage and human trafficking will continue with profound determination to bring permanent peace in Bodoland and Assam and to build a violence-free society. Thanks, ladies and gentlemen.